Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display internet speed on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, displaying internet speed allows you to monitor your network performance in real time. You can see if you are getting the speed you are paying for and if there are any fluctuations in the speed. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Here, please open the Play Store app on your device. Then, in the search field, type Internet Speed Meter and proceed to download the application. Once the download is complete, as I have already downloaded, you can launch the application by tapping on it. And upon opening the application, you will notice the Internet Speed display located at the top of your device screen. This feature provides real-time information on your internet connection speed. Okay, so the way to close the internet speed display, simply reopen the application and then select the three dots menu icon and tap on Stop and Exit. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and monitor your internet speed usage on your device. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to display and control the Internet Speed Meter application to optimize your internet browsing experience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to display internet speed on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.